So being that Bailey is now an inside dog, we've started giving him medication for fleas, because Charlie somehow last year got fleas. We think it was when we took him to the vet, he picked him up. So, however, the one thing about it, one pill, one dose of this treatment, and we got to give it to him every month, is $18. $18 a month for flea treatment. That's kind of a lot, if you ask me. And it works better than like the Hearts and stuff like that. Anything you get over the counter, which that stuff doesn't work. We've tried that on Charlie many times, or our previous cat when he got fleas, and it just, yeah, it doesn't work very good. There's a sheriff up in front of me, and he's trying to pull somebody over, and I don't think that they see him. They actually stopped at the light. The sheriff's still behind him with the lights on, and he's just still driving. Just still driving on. Look at this. They're just still driving. Sheriff's just following him like, hey, dude, pull over. So I don't know what's going on here. This is crazy. He's trying to go to the mall. Sheriff's just like, all right, pull over, dude. Pull over. He's not listening. It's awesome. So Bailey has really wanted to go for a walk around the block, so I'm taking him for a walk around the block. He's so excited. He gets to go for a walk. He's been cooped up for too long with all the bad weather and everything, so he likes to be outside and go for walks and play and stuff. So and he likes to pee on everything too. I wanted to talk to you guys about something. I don't get skinny jeans. I don't understand it. It's just, for one, it's not me. I grew up in the late 80s, early 90s, right around, you know, the super baggy jeans era, if you will. Now granted, I don't wear super baggy jeans anymore, but I don't understand it. I don't understand how you could wear such tight jeans, especially, like, my style, I tend to think, is similar to a 90s skateboarder style-ish. You know, with a little bit less baggy jeans. And I'm going to put a picture on the Facebook of me with my super baggy jeans from the 90s. So you can see exactly what I'm talking about, how I used to dress. And my jeans aren't that baggy anymore, but I can't understand the skinny jeans fad. What is it? Why are guys... The sad thing is it makes me realize that, you know, like when my parents didn't understand my style, that I'm starting to get into that phase where I don't understand the newer styles that are coming out that people are wearing. And it's really making me feel old. And like, you know, back in my day, the question wasn't, you know, baggy jeans or skinny jeans, it was boxers or briefs. And now it's baggy jeans or skinny jeans. So it's just strange. I guess style is in the eyes of the beholder, but I think it's crazy how people are they see a style and they wear it because they think it's cool, not because it's comfortable. You know, I base my style on, am I comfortable or not? All right, we are at this huge egg hunt today where they're going to be dropping, you see the helicopter? They're going to be dropping thousands upon thousands of eggs out of the helicopters for kids to run out and get.
I can't even get a picture of it.
Are you gonna get some eggs?
Over here, baby.
All right.
Over here. See it in the sky?
It's up there.
See it? See it? Drop the eggs.
They did? Okay, that was a false alarm.
I have a cousin who is on the same age as me. My bus is like this big. What?
It's all money too. So be careful right
I
now.
think I have to go out. But y'all, main thing is because you're not family.
I'm going to show that.
Here we go. Look at all the mud we gotta trek through. Oh boy. Pick him up, baby, pick him up! Go that way, go that way, go that way. Out there, way out there. Just keep going, keep going. Oh, this is nuts. I lost him. Okay, I lost Amy and Addison in the crowd, so I'm not sure where they went, so yeah. That was the craziest egg hunt ever. But good thing we got done when we did, because now, that's right, it's raining. And Addison's got her socks on. Your boots got all muddy? Well, it was fun though, wasn't it? You never seen them drop eggs from a helicopter and then you got to go out and get them. Oh, you got candy? Money candy? That's cool. That person over there really must like Easter to put a big Easter egg on the front of their truck. I don't know. Addison's going to play FIFA 11. She's got the Xbox controller here. So we came to Target after the egg hunt and we're I don't know what we're doing. Look at the moves Addison's putting on him. Score a goal. Oh. This is crazy. Watch. Are you talking to me? Whoa. Spider-Man, Spider-Man. Amy thinks she's Spider-Man.
So you have to draw something real quick. I'll put you on speaker. You're on speaker. Now you can say stuff. Yes? Oh, I can speak. Oh, yes. Bullet. Talent. Bullet. What's your name? I have to write down Case and Addison. Like A. Oh. 2 hours. F. Okay, I write as your name. Is that all your name? Okay. And now what? Oh, that's 12. That's what.
Alright, I hope you guys liked the video today. Definitely a different take on an Easter egg hunt. We've been to quite a few Easter egg hunts this year especially, and that's probably the most original one I've ever seen in my entire life. So that was kind of cool. Right now, Easter eggs are hidden. We had to hide them throughout the house because it's supposed to rain all night and then rain tomorrow. Addison's is asleep in bed, and it's going to be a good day tomorrow. Got a lot planned, got a lot going on. I got a nice little surprise to show you guys in the morning. But yeah, so I'm going to edit this vlog and probably go to bed. So don't forget to thumbs up the video. Don't forget to click subscribe, and make sure if you guys haven't checked out any of the links down below in the litter box, check those out. You've got a link to the Facebook, link to the Twitter, link to the Daily Booth. It's all down there. I'll see you tomorrow. Happy Easter.